Amazing people. We're looking at volume of prisms, and in particular, what we're looking at is capacity now. So capacity is often where we use measurements which are used based around liters. So this might be useful, for example, a jug of milk or a jug of water. Now, in this case here, we have these units here which we use to convert it. Now, you can see in each case here, we're either dividing by 1000 along the top, or alternatively, we're dividing by 1000 along the bottom. So it does make it easy to understand what conversion is you're doing here. So in these examples here, what we're going to do is we're going to work to convert from liters into milliliters. Now, one key thing here is we need to work out where we're starting from. So in this case here, we're starting at liters. And now we follow the arrow which leads us to milliliters, which is this one here. We can see milliliters. And what we need to do is we need to multiply by 1000 in this case. So our working out is going to take 6, and we're going to times that by 1000 here. And what that will then give us when we work out the answer is we are going to have 6000, and that's going to be milliliters. So that's that first conversion. For this second one, we have 700 milliliters, and what we want to do is we want to convert that from milliliters into liters. So this time we're starting at milliliters, and we follow the arrow to get to liters, and we can see there that we need to divide by 1000. So in this case here, our working out is going to be 700, and we're going to divide by 1000 here. And when we work this out, this is going to give us 0.7, and that's going to be in liters. Now, in addition to this, sometimes there is some other conversions we have to do. We need to convert from centimeters cubed into liters or milliliters, or sometimes we have to go the other way around. We might want to convert from liters into meters cubed, or centimeters cubed, or maybe from kiloliters or megaliters into meters cubed. Now, a couple of key things to remember here. The first one is that 1 milliliter is always equal to 1 centimeter cubed. So if you have any conversion between milliliters and centimeters cubed, the number is going to be the same in both of these. Now, the other key thing here is when we start to convert other things. So for example, 1 liter, when we convert this, this is going to be equal to 1000 centimeters cubed, because there are 1000 milliliters in that liter. We go a little bit further now and think about a kiloliter. 1 kiloliter, well, this is going to be equal, when we convert this is going to be equal to 1 million centimeters cubed. But we can also take this further, and we can also say that this is equal to 1 meter cubed as well. So what we can say is 1 kiloliter is going to be equal to 1 meter cubed in this instance. Now, in these extra examples here, what we're going to do is we're going to convert from a capacity of liters into volume measured in centimeters or meters cubed. So in this first one, we have 0.45 liters. Now, because we have this here, we're going to base it around this. This is going to make it the easiest thing for us. And so, first of all, we need to convert what we've got here of 0.45 liters. We need to convert that from liters into milliliters. And so that's going to be the first step there. So we can see we need to multiply that by 1000. So if we're working out here at 0.45 times 1000, this is going to give us 450, and that's going to be milliliters at this time. Now, in order to convert that into centimeters, since it's the same, it's just a matter of changing the units on the end. This is going to be 450 centimeters cubed. So we've been able to make that conversion. Now, in this next example, we have 5,200 liters, and we want to convert that into meters cubed. Now, in this instance, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on this one here, because we can see 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 meter cubed. So in order to do that, we want to first convert 5,200 liters into kiloliters. So looking here, we've got liters here. In order to convert into kiloliters, we need to follow this arrow here, and you can see we need to divide by 1000. So that's going to be the first step in working this conversion out. So if our working out being 5,200 divided by 1000, this is going to give us 5.2, and that's going to be kiloliters. Now from here, in order to convert it to meters squared, we can make that easy conversion here because it's going to be the same because it's cubic meters. This is going to be 5.2 meters cubed.